In this video, I'm going to show you 7 AI tools that you can use to build your business and make more sales with affiliate marketing. Now, all these tools are going to be linked up in the description below this video, and there's also a link down there where you can access a list of 32 more tools that you can use for affiliate marketing. Now, let's get to the video. If you're new to my channel and you're wondering who I am, my name's Steve West. I'm the founder of entrepreneurnut.com, and I've been working online as an affiliate for the last several years now. I've been able to hit 6 figures a year with my affiliate business, and now I'm sharing some insights with other people who also want to learn how to build an affiliate business online. So our first AI tool for affiliate marketing is this one called Piggy Magic. So Piggy Magic is a free tool, and what it does is it quickly creates shareable content for you for social media platforms like TikTok or Pinterest or Instagram, platforms like that. So here on Piggy Magic, you've got 3 options: story, quiz, or summarize. So for a story, for example, you'll write in your story. So say it's affiliate marketing, let's say it's keto, and you click on go. Well, it's then going to start to generate the answer. But first it wants you to put your email address in. And then once it's ready, it usually takes a couple of minutes. They'll ping you the link to the content. Now, just to give you an idea of what that content will look like, here are some examples. So this one, truth about keto diet. So the content's going to look something like this, and they're like shareable images and slides that you can then share on your social platforms. So the next option is a quiz, and similar thing. Now, I'll just show you, here's an example personality quiz. This is what the quiz is generally going to look like. They're interactive quizzes that you can then share on your social platforms. So this is pretty cool. It's completely free. And summarize, what you can do here is you can take content, perhaps it's from your blog, like up to 2,500 words, paste it in here, and then Piggy Magic is going to summarize that whole content and make these shareable images for you. So that's the first AI tool for affiliate marketing. So the second one is one of my favorite AI tools at the moment. It's called Designer. So you can do a lot of things with Designer. However, it was first created to be able to create really high quality, professional looking ebooks you can then use as a lead magnet, or you can even sell that ebook yourself if you want to. Now, when it comes to creating ebooks with Designer, there's several ways you can go about doing that. You can write the ebook yourself if you want to, and then you can import that content from a Google Doc or a Word document or a PDF. Second option is you can transcribe blog posts just by copying and pasting the URL of a blog post into Designer, and then it's going to transcribe the whole thing into an ebook for you. Third option is you can transcribe podcasts, and then it will create an ebook for you out of that podcast. Fourth option, which I think is really cool, is you can transcribe a whole YouTube video just by entering the YouTube video URL. It will transcribe the whole video for you, put all the content into the ebook, and it's also going to take still images from the video and lay them all out for you at the correct places next to the correct bit of content all the way through the ebook, which is pretty awesome. So as you imagine, a tool as cool as this is not free. There's a monthly pricing cost for this tool. It starts at $29 a month, it goes up to $99 per month, and then different pricing levels, you get access to different features, okay? Now, just so you know, if you come to the Designer website, you're only going to see these monthly pricing plans. However, I do have a unique link that is below this video if you want to use it. It'll give you a lifetime access to the standard plan for a $27 one-time payment. So the standard plan, currently by standard, is $29 per month, but you can get this for lifetime for $27 one-time payment if you want that, and that's by the link below this video. So full disclosure here, that is my affiliate link, so if you use it and buy Designer, then I will get a small commission as thank you from Designer, but that's at no extra cost to you. And so if you do decide to use it, thank you very much, I do really appreciate it. Now, once you log into Designer, this is what you will see. Now, I've got access to the Pro plan, so I'm also able to create the audiobooks, which is here. Now, when you want to import content, you can import from various different sources. Now, here's the Word Genie function, which is the AI writing tool. So I'll just show you quickly how this works. So you choose your topic. So if I just say affiliate marketing and then hit next, it's then going to ask me for subtopics. Now Word Genie is asking me if I want to pick a subtopic. Now Word Genie is asking me for my audience. And now Word Genie has generated me 10 different titles for my ebook. And now Designer's created me an outline. So here, I can now ask Word Genie to start generating the content for each of the different sections for me. Okay, and now Word Genie has written the ebook for me. So I can then click Save Draft and then continue to choose a template. So in here, this is where I can choose a template. If I just show you this one, preview. So you'll get the cover and then also a nice layout design as well. This is what it will look like on the inside. And then once we're in the editor, you can pretty much edit this whole thing. So you can edit this cover as you wish, as much as you want. You can change pretty much everything on it, or you can just completely replace the cover yourself. And as we look through the content, we've got all these different options that we can bring in, like videos and different artwork, different images we can put in. And then when you're ready, when you're happy with it, you just click publish. And another cool feature is you can make your 2D or 3D cover designs all within Designer. So I choose this one, for example, and there's my cover. So this next AI tool for affiliate marketing is called Hoppy Copy. So with Hoppy Copy, it's primarily used to write high converting emails. And of course, using AI is going to be able to do that a lot faster for you. Now, Hoppy Copy comes with a number of built-in tools. So you've got the AI copywriter, which is basically lots of templates already laid out for you based on scientifically proven formulas to work. Then you've got the AI copy editor, as well to help you write, make your emails sound catchy and engaging. And you have the sequence planner, which is going to help you to schedule out all your email sequences. You have a competitor monitor, so it's basically going to track the email marketing of your competitors and let you know what they're up to. You've got a spam checker, which is going to ensure that you haven't got too many spam words in your emails. So this is going to help to improve your open rates. And then you've also got the content converter, which will help you to convert any type of content. For example, you can convert blog posts into emails, or emails into tweets, or tweets into text, and so on. Now, once you're inside Hoppy Copy, so you've got lots and lots of options to choose from. Here are lots of templates you can use, different types of emails you want to send out. So it's a product launch email, or a multi-purpose email, reminder follow-up emails, sales letters, and so on. There's really loads and loads of options here to help you write really high quality emails. So the product launch email, for example, is going to give you a little template to follow. So all you do is you write in here your brand, your product name, the type of persona or your customer avatar that you're going to target, and what tone of voice you want to select, and then it's going to create the email for you. Okay, so tool number 4 on our list of AI tools for affiliate marketing is this one called InVideo. So InVideo is an AI tool that will help you to create really high quality videos really quickly. Now, when you're in the inside, you've got quite a simple dashboard, and you've got different options such as here, you've got templates that are done for you, videos that you can pull in and use parts of them within your video, and you can edit them as well. You can change all the text that are in these videos. You've then also got stock media as well, like stock images, if you want to put in still images into your video as well. You also have the AI text to video feature, which is basically the AI voiceover for you. So it will do a voiceover if you don't want to record your own voice. And then you have the editor to put it all together. Now, another feature that you also get within video is the ability to use their AI to write your script for you as well. So you can pretty much do everything that you need within this tool. And when you've got your own video, you just simply go to create new, go to the editor, choose the dimension you want, and then here is where you'd upload your video. And then once your video is in, you can chop it up as you want, pull in different still images from their library or some of their media footage, and add written text over your images as well as a voiceover. Okay, so our next AI tool for affiliate marketing is Phrase. So Phrase is specifically designed for SEO. So it's going to write all your content for you. Now, you start off by entering a keyword into Phrase, and then Phrase is going to then search the top results and then tell you exactly what content you need to have in your article. It's going to first create an article brief for you, an outline with all the headings and subheadings. And then with a click of a button, you can get Phrase to actually write the whole content for you. And the cool thing about Phrase is it also comes with an optimization feature. So it will tell you exactly what keywords and long tail keywords you should have in your article and how many times they should be in there. And also it's got a built-in plagiarism checker as well to make sure that you're not going to produce duplicate content. Now, once you're inside Phrase, you'll see it's got a lot of AI tools to help you out with your writing. When it comes to creating an article, you just throw your keyword in here, click create document, and now Phrase is going to quickly search the internet for all the top results. And as it analyzes them, it's then going to tell you exactly what you need to have in your article in order to then rank on page 1 of Google. And then you can either select headings yourself, so Phrase will list out all the articles that are on page 1, and you can go through and select which headings and subheadings you want to have in your article and pull them into a brief. Or you can get Phrase to generate the heading ideas for you. And then you can get Phrase's AI to write the whole content for you for each section. And then as Phrase is writing the content for you, it's going to start to pull in all the content into the editor here for you. And then once Phrase has finished writing the article for you, you get a word count down here in the bottom corner, and then you can then click this button to go to optimize for SEO. So it's already got a score of 63% already, which is great. So you want to get your score above this yellow line in order for it to start having enough of the keywords within your articles. But then it's going to also show you all the places where you can further improve your SEO by adding more long tail and LSI keywords to your article. And if we check the research tab here, it's going to tell you the recommended word count, recommended headings, how many links your article should have, and how many images your article should have. Okay, so our next AI tool for affiliate marketing is Flicky. So Flicky will turn any text into videos for you with voiceovers. So you can use this for VSLs or sales videos, or even just for videos for your social media channels. So once you're inside Flicky, you get a simple dashboard, and here is an example of a video that's already made. So if I just play on this.
To help you lose weight. 1. Don't skip breakfast. Skipping breakfast will not help you lose weight, and you could miss out on essential nutrients.
Okay, so that's just an example. Now also you can get Flicky to create videos out of blog posts for you. So if we were to go to this article on my blog here, copy the URL and go to convert blog to video, paste the link in, just do short just for now and submit. And now Flicky's going to process the info on my blog and then start to make a video out of it. Now let's have a quick look at our video.
How to use ChatGPT for affiliate marketing. ChatGPT is an AI language model that can be used for various tasks such as writing articles and generating ideas. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission on each sale.
Now that's not bad, since I only did a 1 minute video, and you can do 1 minute or 5 minute or a customizable length for your video. And then of course you can edit things, you can change your videos in here and the images, and you can also change the AI voiceover as well. So this is pretty cool. Okay, now the last AI tool for affiliate marketing on my list is Speech Hello. So this basically just creates the voiceovers for you. So if you just need a voiceover and that's it, then Speech Hello might be the place for you to look. So with Speech Hello, you get a lot of options for different AI voices, including different accents and different languages as well. So here are just a few samples. So this is the US English.
Hello, I'm Billy, and I'm one of the amazing voices from Speech Hello. I can read any text in a normal, joyful voice.
Or you can choose a child.
Hello, I'm Owen, and I'm one of the two voices from Speech Hello.
Or is Indian English.
My name is Miran, and I'm one of the Indian female voices from Speech Hello. My voice is perfect for training, educational, and sales video.
And then we have all different types of voiceovers, different languages, different accents, and so on. So there you have it, 7 AI tools for affiliate marketing. Now, if you want an extended list of 32 AI tools to up your affiliate marketing game, then be sure to check out the link in the description below this video. And if you want more videos just like this one, then be sure to check out the other videos on my channel just here.